Okay, so guys, that's a very sad way to start the video. Friend dies. Okay, so basically, in this video, I'm gonna go on a car buying spree. So I'm gonna buy every car I can think of. Oh, that's really rude, me eating Doritos. I don't care. They're nice. So, I mean, it's sometimes so it's got a lovely time. So, we're gonna go get the Bugatti. Sorry guys, Doritos are nice. So guys, as I'm saying, here with my friend on a private server. You might go on a regular server, but we need to go on the car buying spree. Okay. Let's hit the ramp. Yeah, you. Guys, if you like a song, and you brought that, didn't he? No, I didn't. Bro, he already had that. What? Bro, I don't even have that car. Bro, when you come. In, bro. Get in my car. Get in my car. Bro, get in. Me car. Bro, I swear to God, if you don't get in my car, I'll eat gummy bears. I'll kill a gummy bear. Okay, get in my car. We go cars. Okay, so in this video we're going to go and buying a butt ton of cars. It probably said K or something. Okay. First one was gonna the Mini. First the Mini. Okay. Buy. Horse. Now let's hop in this. Whoa, this thing goes quite fast. Oh, this thing's awesome. Bro. Wait, we need low suspension on this. Now, where's the suspension? Oh no, man, it does look sick, don't it? Oh my God, it's so low. It's so low, bro. It's really low. Oh, you go slow with low. We need to put on normal. Normal? Raised? Oh, let's buy that. Oh God. Okay. Next car we're going to buy on the list is thingy. It's the truck car. And after this, we have one more car to buy. Let's just change the text up a bit. Let's go with a candy cane, or we can go Scorch. Let's go Scorch. Swag. Swag. Men. For the win. Okay, next car, we're gonna buy this. We're gonna buy this bad boy. Truck. Pickup truck. Now. Oh, this thing looks sick, man. This thing is dope. And when we get to 500k, which is gonna be a while. Oh yeah, one more car. Do I have enough for it? Yeah. Okay. Slash one more car. Okay. So we're gonna take this pickup truck. Let's change it to paint, I guess. No, paint kinda looks ugly. Oh, I didn't want grey. Why is it grey? Oh, there we go. One more car to buy. And that would be... I'm trying to think what else cars I need. I know one which we're going to get right now. After that, you know what, boy? I mean, this guy's all in the surprise, but it's the bike. It's the bike. But this... How fast is it? Oh, it's actually quite fast. Drift! Okay, so basically, now, we need to test this. And do you know any others? Do you know any others? Because if you do, I'm kid just stole my key card already. I'm changing my textures a lot today. What is that? Is that now? Oh, yeah. I have the Doom Buggy. Swear to God, if this can't jump over the river. I think it's just the expensive cars now, and it can't jump over the river. River boys. Whoa, it looks sick in first person. What's he trying to say? I mean, I'm missing the $1 million ones, which are, I mean, I'll probably get those, like, in ages. Bro, I'm not even on it. Sup? Okay, bank. Don't know why we need to go there. Is there a car at the bank? Or just saying bank because we robbed it. So, that's the end of this video, guys. End of vid. That's the end of this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Say peace. Say peace. 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 I don't know how to spell. See you guys next vid.